look at number 3. I told you we have many of them. Number 3 is canning. In this method, food contents are processed and sealed in an airtight container at high temperature. Example, canned malts, corned beefs, sardine, canned beans, hot dogs, etc. All these things you can find them in Mr. Biggs, Tantalizer, Happy Bites, ShopRite. You can find them there. Why? All these things are food, but they are preserved by method called canning. They will be sealed inside a container, and in that container, when they put it inside that container, they will seal it in an airtight. You know, when there is no air at all, there is no chance of the food spoiling, because there are some microorganisms in the air. Therefore, if that container is completely void of air, there will be no bacteria. And you know that it's only bacteria that lead to food spoilage. So that is canning. Then let's look at bottling. It is a method of preserving food in which the food contents are processed and sealed in airtight bottles with carbon monoxide inside. This carbon monoxide is also known as carbon dioxide, but this is the approved one now. When we talk of IUPAC nomenclature, the newly named, the IUPAC nomenclature for carbon dioxide is now carbon monoxide. Okay, let's explain this. I believe you've come in contact, or you've even opened Coke or Fanta before. When you open it, the next thing you hear is shh. That is effervescence. We call it effervescence. That very something that went out is carbon monoxide. And that carbon monoxide preserved that very Coke or Fanta or Sprite from spoiling. If you can leave it there for even 6 months, and you open it, you discover that mineral will still be as fresh as ever. Why? Because it has been bottled, and inside that bottle, they will seal it with carbon monoxide, therefore preserving that very food there. Okay, the 5th one is pasteurization. It is the process of heating milk below boiling point to kill pathogenic bacteria. You know the Fulani people. When you see their cow, the cattle there, sometimes you see people milking those cows. That is to collect milk from those cows. The milk that they collected is filled with bacteria that is too harmful for human consumption. Then if you want to preserve that food, if you want to preserve it, first of all, it will pass through the method called pasteurization. And this method is method of heating that milk. You subject that heat onto fire so that it will be below boiling point, so that that pathogenic bacteria containing inside it will die, thereby making it fit for human consumption. I'm going to complete this very note in the other subsequent one. Thank you.